This marks the 30th day of the federal government shutdown. Funding cuts are being seen throughout multiple organizations and programs and those that provide medical care. Our Megan Dauksh spoke with one organization about how their funding has been cut.
Health care is an essential service. It is particularly essential for people living with HIV.
PALS Incorporated is a nonprofit organization that provides medical care and services to those with HIV and AIDS. But now around $500,000 of PALS funding has been cut. Carmen Julia, CEO of PALS, says the organization receives $155,000 in federal funding each month, but she is unsure if they'll continue to receive money. She says cuts have been made to 2 different programs that they relied on heavily. They also had to lay off staff.
With those 2 federal programs, we're just concerned about what the future will look like. We rely heavily on those programs to provide services for people like housing stability, food stability, housing case management, behavioral health, and absolutely medical care and pharmacy assistance.
And grant programs they were a part of have not been made renewable.
We're not seeing a lot of opportunities for funding coming out where we can apply and hopefully get funding. It's very, very limited.
Right now, PALS still has funding to run its programs, with some federal funding still coming through in private donors. But the question comes up for the organization of what to do if those funds run out.
How do you triage who gets care and who doesn't get care? Who is able to pay for services and who isn't able to pay for services? All those kinds of things come into play. And it's a very challenging place to be in.
To provide that level of health care, PALS has to change the way its future plans look. Julia says she is searching for the minimal grants that are available to bring that funding back into the organization. She also says people in the community have told them they were concerned.
We're trying to stay motivated so we can provide the best quality of services to people in the community, but we also have folk in the community asking us what's going to happen to me.
News 19 also spoke with community members who were struggling but couldn't interview prior to the broadcast. But some said they haven't received payments for medical bills or are having benefits and appointments delayed. Reporting from Columbia, Megan Dauksh, News 19, WLTX.
Well, tonight, Julia says they will continue to serve people even during cuts to funding.